We make a lot of beautiful rings here at Concierge Diamonds, and I'm proud of all of them. But every now and then we make something so distinctive, so special, so unique that it stops me in my tracks. And this is one of those. We made this ring for very special clients of ours who are getting married in just about a month's time, and they're blending their two families into one new family. And so we made this ring to honor that new blended family that they call their beehive. So you'll see this ring incorporates little bees in the design to symbolize the beehive as well as the honeycomb. There are 5 different gemstones here to represent the birthstones of the 5 children in their blended family. The blank spots in between the gemstones, we actually recovered ancient Roman bronze coins and cut them and shaped them to fit in here. So these over time will patina and blacken and darken and give an amazing contrast to the bright golden gemstones. And every aspect of this ring is loaded with symbolism that's meaningful to this new family. And what an honor to make something so special, so personal, and at the same time, really beautiful and proper fine jewelry that our friend can wear for years to come. I want to wish this couple my heartiest congratulations and thank them for letting me participate in this really, really special project. I'm super honored to be part of it. I'm super proud to have made this ring. It is one of one and will be one of one forever.